Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to ML Shorts. In this video, we will use regression on Excel. We will predict the future. So, stay tuned. Regression is a type of statistical analysis that helps us to understand the relationship between two or more variables. These variables can be defined as independent and dependent variable. So, what is independent variable? Independent variable is something that we can change or control during experiment or analysis. And dependent variable we cannot change because we have to predict it using regression analysis. That's all the theory we need before Excel sheet. Now let's jump to the analysis. So here the first column time is year and second column value is the interest rate in United States. First thing, let's plot the graph. Here I have plotted the scattered plot. In Excel, regression analysis can be done by two ways. First is trend line analysis. Here you have multiple options like exponential, linear, polynomial, everything except moving average. Moving average is performed on historical data. We can't use it to predict future data. In order to get a good regression line, you need to enable R-square. So what is R-square? R-square shows you the goodness of fitting. It means how well your regression line is fitting on your plot, like scattered plot. So here you can see the best line we get is 0.89 R-square for polynomial order 6. What does this mean? If you closely look at this equation, you will find out x to the power 6. The highest power of x is 6, so the order is 6 here. There is one more way to perform regression analysis. Click data analysis tool, and here you have a lot of options. So click regression, set x and y, click OK, and here you have all the regression analysis. Based on intercept and slope, I tried to draw a regression line y equals mx plus c. Y is predicted value, x is year, m is slope, and plus c is intercept. Finally, here is the comparison between two plots. If you see our first plot, the R-square means goodness of fitting is quite good here, 0.89, whereas in our second plot it seems quite low. If we go back to the stats part, we can see the R-square is 0.03. So what does this mean? Our first regression is better or the second one? Of course, the first one is better, but we don't know the complete scenario yet. In order to know which one is better, we should move to another platform where we can train, test, and validate both of them. So, see you in the next video where we will explore regression in Python environment. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, please comment. I'll try to improve accordingly. Thank you very much. See you soon.